Hi, I'm Joe Galouche. I'm the owner and president of Naikoon Contracting, and we are the general contractors and construction managers for the project on 3rd Street here. We're builders of fine quality luxury homes with a focus on energy efficiency, primarily in Metro Vancouver.
Hi, my name's Tina Hubert. I'm the architect of record. My firm is Tina Hubert Architect Inc., and I've been practicing for over 20 years. I would describe the design and look of the project as being really modern and clean, but also kind of comfy modern. It's not a sterile environment, it's a lived environment.
What makes this project special is that it's designed, modeled, and constructed to a net zero energy level of performance. What that means is we've built the actual building envelope, the home, so that's going to consist of the insulation in the walls and the roof and under the slab, very high quality windows and doors, a very airtight construction, and then a heat recovery ventilation system that will essentially be the lungs of the house and provide the owner and occupants continual fresh air and a very high quality of indoor air and comfort. And then what we do is we've added solar photovoltaic PV panels onto the roof, and those PV panels are designed and modeled to make up the entire energy usage of that building over an annualized period.
It also borrows from the language of the old Moodyville village, it being a lumber town, it was a shipbuilding town. We have the visual language of lumber in the inside of the townhouses. You have that vertical wall that has the lumber running up and down at the stairs. You have the nautical references to the balconies with the perforated metal. We've got some nice live edge cedar that you can find in the powder room. We've also got some really high-end materials like marble up in the kitchen and also in the powder room on the 3rd floor.
What we do here is build energy efficient buildings and have done so over the last 10 years, and this is certainly one of the most energy efficient buildings that Naikoon has ever produced.